Everyone's willing to help one another, even if you don't speak the language. We handle these products like they're coming to our house.
We work with a lot of appliances, washer, refrigerator, ranges. We have a lot of people here that start from zero, first time ever in a warehouse, and a lot of those people are our best people. We don't like to have somebody in the floor if they don't know what they're doing. Everyone learns different. It takes 1 or 2 extra weeks. We're gonna do it for sure.
Whether you have 5 minutes on the lift or 50 years, you're still going through the same training process.
When I started, we had orientation where we watched videos about what Penske is about, what they expect of us to do. After your training, you usually have a mentor who mentors you for a week. If they decide that you're fine to be on the floor, then they'll send you out to the floor.
You might have a preconceived idea that, it's kind of a men's job, but not so. In this particular company, it's much more equal than a lot of other professions that you wouldn't think looking at a warehouse job. I've seen a lot of women getting promotions, and leadership is active. It's not just a paperwork type of leadership where they're stuck in an office behind a desk trying to handle the day-to-day functions. They do come out, they are riding around, they are observing things, they are involved. They know everybody's names here.
You just need to follow the safety rules. Safety very important.
The team mentality is very strong.
Everyone wants to help one another, and that's very good for morale.
When you start something new, you are a little bit scared, but after you start knowing everyone and seeing other people that speak your language, the people are being really nice, and we make them feel like this is a family.
For me, it's just exciting to be able to mentor other people, educate them, and help them grow and grow the team.
If there's a position available or there's an opportunity that's going to arise, we look internal, and if somebody's fit for that, we proceed with promoting from within.
We have a really good schedule. We have different schedule here, morning, night, weekends. So it works perfect for the people here.
Monday through Thursday, people love that. It gets people in here. The weekend shift, they only work 3 days a week. The whole way across the board, people seem to be happy with the shifts.
They listen what you need. They ask you questions. They are there for you. They know who you are.
The resources that they offer through Penske are great because it's not only just about learning things in the job function, but they have resources to reach out if you're struggling with something, somebody to talk to, health issues and things like that. They're very invested in their employees. They give you everything that you need to not just be a good worker, but to be okay in your life as well.